Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Konrad Kongkel Sangma Menteri Rangba Kejela Habaya Keren berkilat patai kubor mentaka sengi ke arfu pratar ku jeleo arajar arfu sao hadin ke jingya lang jong ke kinhon menteri ulaong bakam don ke jingya klat ni per jingmut lakalong ha ke seng ni haying ha semru namar dang ha ki sengi baladem kum ka seng kala daban penlong ye ke jingya kenduk lang ha ke babaro ki breu jong ka seng kamtam kito ki bakwa ban yakon ha ke election shiteng samoi ke ban long ha gambe gre kia menjur lang halor ka rai jong ka seng bat kin ko ngu kat kum ki kindon jong ka seng kum bakalong menta kila dan haduk saut ki breu ki baka NPP kala jet shwa shipor ban penyeng kum ki kertong henry ya ka rai ka bakhat do pat halor uno ni kanu ka kertong ki ban penyeng na ka seng kum ki klik nong yalam kin sa shong shwa ya ka jing yalang ka bakhat do bat hadin jong kata ka seng kat sa penmi ka kerteng jong u ni ka kertong ki ban yeng ban yakun ha ka election shiteng samoi Shusuk nak kaliang Konrad sang mau lo pentip bru ha kabaide bat ki kubor lamler halor gijing perkhat jong ki seng Synrop ban weng jeladi na gijing Trei lang bat ke Sorkar nak kaliang Konrad ula pentip pabaro ki seng san perthai ki bedon lang bat ki be Trei lang bat ke Sorkar ki kular ban ai gijing kershan bapura Haduh ke bakut jong ke samoi Trei kam kum ki nong mi keman
in the party nor any division in the family. In fact, last about couple of days or 3-4 days back, we have met, and in the meeting, everybody has all the party leaders who are contesting, who want to contest, and the names of people who whose names are doing the round, even though they may not want to contest, or they may want to contest, as a different issue, but their names are doing the round. So whoever's name was doing the round, we have consulted everybody, we have talked to everybody, and everybody has confirmed that they are with the party, and whatever decision the party takes, that will be the final decision, and they will abide by that decision. So the party has taken a unanimous decision in this, and now the process of giving the ground report from the block level and district level and the regional level is underway. And once that process is complete, then the state committee will recommend accordingly. But let me again clarify that there is no question of any kind of division. We are very much clear that we will work together as a family, and more importantly as a political party, and all the names that are doing the rounds will work together to fight this particular election.
How many names?
I don't know exactly how many names, but if you ask me all the plus and minus, there'll be approximately about 7 to 8 names in the round. That does not mean that all 7 or 8 of them are actually campaigning in the ground, but people are taking their names, and so all those people, we have talked to them, and everybody has given me the assurance that whatever the party decides, we are with the party. We have no problem. We are working together. I have spoken to our coalition partners. Everybody is on board. And yes, there could be certain individuals who will make their comments and express their concerns, which is fine. In democracy, it is important to express your concerns. But as a coalition, all the coalition partners have once again reiterated to me that they will continue their support and that we will complete this term of our government.